This is the demonstration for the Math Learning app. When you open the app, you're presented with the login screen. I'm going to start as a new user, so I'm going to enter my username as Bill, and we'll have a password of 123. If I click register, the account is created, and if I open up the save file, you can see that Bill is now stored. It stores his username, his starting stats, and his password, so we can log in. So on the start screen, you have your starting level, which is 1. You see your username, you see your experience points. He currently has 0 because we haven't played the game yet, and he requires 10 points to level up. You can see the personal high score for the user for each concept. So let's start by playing addition. So the question is generated at the top left of the screen, while the user's score is displayed on the top right, and the objective is to use the arrow keys to move up and down between lanes and collide with cars that carry the correct number that answers the question, while avoiding cars that carry the incorrect number. So the question is 0 plus 7, that is 7, so we collide with the car for 7 and we get a point. 12 plus 1, 13, so now we avoid cars until we see 13, and then we will collide with that for an extra point. Each score, each additional point is worth 1 experience point, so if we get 10 points we automatically level up. So I'm going to continue playing until I get at least 10 points. Just one more. And if I collide with a car that carries the incorrect answer, let's collide with 15, we get a game over. And then the game will store, will update our stats and restore them into users.save. And then we are taken to the leaderboard. I scored 10 points, which puts me in 3rd place. It puts me above Tim, who scored 1, but below Ted, who scored 11 points. And if I open up the addition scores.save file, which stores the leaderboard for addition, you can see the exact same thing. Jim is at the top of the scoreboard with 13 points. Ted is in 2nd place with 11. Bill is at 3rd place with 10 points, and poor Tim only has 1 point. If I now open my users.save file, as you can see, Bill has leveled up, and that is now stored. The amount of XP he requires to level up has increased as well. He has an addition score of 10, because that is the maximum, his highest score for this concept. And he hasn't played subtraction, multiplication, or division, so they are all staying at 0. If I go back to the main menu, you can see his level has increased. This is where it's presented to the user, and now we require 20 experience points to level up. So let's try playing multiplication. So each math concept is the same game. It's just with a different set of questions. Well, if we keep playing, we can level up even further and unlock higher levels. So 3 times 5, that is 15. Let's collide with that. Let's get a game over real quick to show you that it saves. There we go. If I close users.save now and open it again, that's Ted. Bill here has a multiplication score of 3, and he has 3 experience points, and he requires 20 to level up, so his level did not increase, and it's still stored in the file as 2. As you can see, Bill placed last on the leaderboard here, so if we open up the leaderboard for multiplication, you can see that Jim is at the top with 17 points, as it is here, then Ted with 11, Tim with 3, and then Bill with 3. And that is the end of the demonstration.